Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will quickly try to check out the keywords in Java. Now what exactly is a keyword? A keyword is a reserved word. This means that the meaning of the word is already known to compiler, and using the keywords we can definitely code our program. Now friends, keyword cannot be used as a name of a variable. Definitely we will also deal with variables, constants and things like that in our future videos. Now let me quickly show you the list of keywords, and out of these keywords in total we have 50 keywords. Two of the keywords are not in use, and you can definitely guess that the keywords which are in bold font and are in red color are no longer in use. So in other words, we can also say that there are in total 48 active keywords in Java. Now friends, don't worry about the usage of these keywords. We will definitely see the usage of keywords in our forthcoming videos. So this was a super short video on keywords. Thanks for watching.